23 ABC's Allison Gargaro talk about our warming temperatures. They just seem to keep going up.
They really do. I mean, we started off the weekend in the 70s and now up to the 90s, but high pressure dominating, so that is giving us clear skies across the county and very warm temperatures. 94 degrees today, which is actually closer to our record than our normal temperatures, which is at 77 for this time of year. But a ridge of high pressure dominating over the region, that's what's keeping us clear and calm with that stable air, but unfortunately sinking air mixed with these very warm temperatures. I mean, the valley is mostly still in the upper 80s, low 90s, the Kern River Valley in those 80s as well. But that mixture is causing another day of bad air quality tomorrow. So today we were unhealthy for sensitive groups, and it's going to be slightly worse for your Thursday with an AQI of 128. Again, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So try to limit your time outdoors. Make sure that you continue to reapply sunscreen and stay hydrated, because here in Bakersfield we have a high of 95 degrees tomorrow, 92 over in Taft, 87 down at the base of the Grapevine. In our mountain communities, they are going to be holding on to the 80s, 76 in Bear Valley Springs and 78 down in Lebec. And in our desert cities, they are going to be warming up as well. 96 degrees in Ridgecrest, which does look like to be the warmest spot across Kern County tomorrow. But this ridge is going to be at its peak on Thursday, so it does look to be the warmest day of the week. And then temperatures are slowly dropping as we head into the weekend. We are actually tracking a low pressure system that's going to be impacting Southern California, bringing us the chance to see some thunderstorms. That would be later in the weekend. Just need to get through a few more days of temperatures in the 90s. But this system will be making its way into the county late Sunday into the early morning hours on Monday. That's the best chance to see some rain, but unfortunately that system is lacking moisture. But what it will bring is some cloudy skies and cooler temperatures down to 81 degrees by Monday and in those upper 70s by next Wednesday. And it looks like those temperatures, which is actually near seasonal if you can believe it, going to be continuing into the later portion of next week. But the Kern River Valley will be up to 84 degrees by Saturday, but then dropping back down into the 70s. Again, Tehachapi and Fraser Park are going to have the best chance to see some showers as that storm makes its way through the county. So thankfully some relief is on the way.
This may be the first time I'm actually going to say this. I'm looking forward to Monday. Yeah. Right?
Not really bad. Yeah.
Whoever looks forward to Monday, but with that kind of weather, all right.
You just got to go inside for these games this weekend.
Exactly. That's a good point.
All right. Well, still ahead, local